Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPad must be on iOS 18, signed into an Apple ID, and have shortcuts ready. Once done, open Settings and confirm iOS 18 under About. This matters because Genmoji needs the new emoji framework. Next, enable two-factor authentication so any downloads or account changes proceed smoothly. Then install or update shortcuts, and when prompted, allow untrusted shortcuts. This permits the custom workflow you will use to sideload Genmoji resources onto the. You now fetch the Genmoji workflow and its assets inside shortcuts. Tap the shared shortcut package and review actions. Allow required permissions for photos, local network, and clipboard because the shortcut will download and write emoji files. Once you run it, the shortcut reaches out to its asset bundle, downloads the compressed emoji set, and extracts it into Shortcuts file storage. Make sure to monitor prompts. Granting access ensures the extraction completes, and the shortcut maps emoji assets to your iPad sticker or keyboard target. You finish by installing the Genmoji output. Add the keyboard or enable the sticker pack in Settings under Keyboard or Messages, then test in any app. If new emojis do not appear, restart the iPad to reload system caches. If that fails, run the shortcut again to re-register assets. One key troubleshooting tip. If you hit permission errors, go to Settings, reset Shortcuts permissions, or update iOS and rerun. Often a permission reset clears blocked file writes and resolves missing emoji problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.